Well, as we get closer to a new school year, a new report by the CDC shows a decrease in the percentage of students feeling sad or hopeless. So that's good. That's a sign of progress. We like to see that, but there's still a lot to be done when it comes to kids' mental health. Psychiatrist Dr. Wendy Weinstein is here to talk about this. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
You know, this is an important time of year to talk about mental health in kids because they're getting ready to go back to school, and there's a lot that plays into that, right?
There really is, and this is the best time to start to talk about it because you don't want to wait until the night before.
Yeah, exactly.
Because this is a little bit of a culture shock to go back to school. So now's the time to start to get into a new routine, to maybe take a ride to the school, to talk to your child about how they're feeling or their thoughts about the impending school year starting.
What are some things that parents should watch out for? Some signs that maybe their kid might be having a little trepidation or might have some future problems that maybe they could address now?
You really want to keep the communication open. So you want to ask your child, is everything okay? And I'm here if you need to talk to me. But maybe oversleeping, overeating, maybe a lot of anxiety or worry, change from their normal behavior. So things that they normally do if they're very social, if they like to go out with friends. And now they're saying, you know, I'd rather not. I want to stay home and sleep, play on my gaming device.
Big changes like that. Once we get, into the school year, same kind of thing, same kind of signs to kind of be looking for?
As well as possibly grades dropping. And grades in school can come on you pretty quickly. So if a child is falling behind in their classes, and normally they're pretty much able to keep up with it, that's a big sign as well.
Yeah, I mean, you know your kid better than anybody, so, you kind of know when something's off, and if something's off, check into it.
You really want to keep that open communication there and be empathic and say, what's going on? How are you feeling? Do you want to talk about things? And your worries may not be the worries of your child as well. So it's very important to just keep that open.
All right, excellent advice, and that school year is going to be here before we know it. It's
right around the
coming up
corner.
quick. All right, thank you so much. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.